Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas at the back end of the MGM Grand. It's been a long day. I must have made about a dozen videos so far. My feet are tired. I'm at the MGM Grand and I'm staying at the Flamingo. Normally I would walk it, but it's getting late, and like I said, my feet are done with for the day. So I'm going to hop on the monorail. It's right here at the MGM Grand, and it'll drop me off at the Flamingo. Costs $5, but it's worth it when you feel like, well, when your feet feel like mine do. And I'll take you guys along for the ride. Come on, let's go.
Insert coins or bills, or select debit or credit card payments.
Hold on tight. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And shout out to Tom Colfax, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in one of my latest Atlantic City videos, A Winter Stroll on the Boardwalk. Congratulations, Tom. Tom also wanted me to point out that he's the proud owner of a brand new New York mug that he got at the New York store. He purchased a red one, so congratulations on that too, Tom, and thanks for shopping at the New York store.
Las Vegas station. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Vidara Hotel and Spa, Waldorf Astoria, Veer Towers, and Crystal's Retail District. With its cutting-edge automatic control system, the Las Vegas monorail runs without anyone at the wheel. Now that's the best designated driver we can think of in a city where the party never ends.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Next stop is also the closest station to Caesar's Palace, featuring the foreign shops and the Coliseum Theater. Cromwell Hotel, featuring the popular Race Day Club, nightclub, and after hours. Access to the Lake Entertainment District and the Caesars Forum Conference Center is available from the Flamingo Station as well as Harrisburg Lake Station. You will find a unique array of shops, restaurants, and bars, plus Global Roll and the High Roller, the world's largest observation wheel. Have fun, and remember to tell your friends about the Las Vegas Monorail. That is when they finally hail a cab and catch up with you. Now arriving at Flamingo Caesar's Palace Station. This monorail continues northbound. Next stop, Harrisburg Lake Station.
Hold on tight.
So as you can see, that's pretty fast. It's pretty much real time what we did, and that was what, 3-4 minutes tops from the MGM Grand all the way down to the Flamingo here, which is where I'm staying. A lot faster than a Deuce bus, a lot cheaper than an Uber. Not as much fun as walking, but almost as much fun as walking. And by the way, my feet hurt, so I'm glad I'm here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, just give it a thumbs up, and if you enjoy watching videos here on the New Yawk channel, subscribe to the New Yawk channel. It really does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey everybody, check out the New Yawk store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New Yawk swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New Yawk store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New Yawk videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.